Hello traders. In this video, we are taking a look at the FIP indicator for MT4. We'll cover how this on-chart buy and sell system appears, what its arrows and templates imply about tops and bottoms, and why it is important to understand its repainting behavior before using it in live trading. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Alright. So as you can see, the FIP indicator plots colored arrows directly on the main price chart as part of a complete buy and sell system template. Upward arrows appear below price when the system detects conditions it interprets as potential market bottoms, while downward arrows appear above price when it detects potential tops. At first glance, the chart can look very clean, with arrows lining up at major turning points and suggesting highly accurate entries. However, independent testing shows that the indicator heavily repaints. When price initially moves against a signal, the arrow can be removed or shifted until the market eventually moves in the right direction, which makes the historical chart look far better than it actually traded in real time. This means the visual impression of near perfect path signals is misleading. In live markets, many of those arrows were different or did not exist when decisions had to be made. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Right, so the arrow display controls how the up and down arrows are drawn on the charts as part of the system templates. Template configuration involves loading the full FIP template so that all bundled components appear correctly in MT4. So we have the EXT depth, the EXT deviation, and the EXT backstep. Time frame and pair coverage. The system is technically compatible with any MT4 pair and time frame, but its repainting behavior is evident across conditions. So who is this indicator for and what are its limitations? The FIP indicator is mainly of interest to traders who want to study or test arrow-based systems, especially to understand the difference between repainting and non-repainting behavior. It might seem attractive to newer traders due to its visually impressive historical performance, but the repainting nature means it should not be relied on as a standalone decision tool. Because arrows can disappear or move as price evolves, signals seen in hindsight are not representative of what appeared live, which can lead to unrealistic expectations and poor risk decisions. The indicator is strictly analytical and does not manage trades. If used at all, it should be combined with robust independent analysis and risk management and treated with caution. The download link for the FIP indicator for MT4 is in the description below. You can read the full article and see discussion of his repainting behavior on the Forex Geek website. If you like more educational content on how to evaluate buy/sell systems realistically, remember to subscribe and turn on notifications.